everybody, Karen Norwood Travel here. We'll see if I can't steady you guys a little bit. We are out again this wonderful sunny Thursday, and we are headed to St. Augustine, Florida, because we are going to get to see the capybaras. We're going to St. Augustine, Florida, and they have a capybara cafe. And so we get to play with some capybaras. I'm really hoping I get to show y'all some pictures and stuff. I'm not quite sure what we're going to get into today because today is a travel day. But I will definitely bring you guys along and we'll see what fun things we find. So we stopped at Adcock Pecans, peanuts and handful or a truckload is what the sign says. They have all kinds of hot sauces and dips and chutney. We're curious what the difference between a chutney and salsa is. So if anybody wants to put that in the comments below, I would love to hear about it. But we wandered around. I will tell you, it was freezing in there though. So if you're on a super hot day, that's the place to go. So just to let you know, from the Georgia-Florida line on 75, there's a really awesome rest stop. It has, really good clean restrooms and such, but it also has some great flyers and brochures and stuff if you're still into that. I love my flyers and brochures, and they had lots of different ones that you could choose from for all of the state of Florida, so it's definitely worth a stop. Alright guys, we made it to the Home 2 Suites and Home 2 by Hilton in St. Augustine. And here's our huge bathroom. We have a nice big shower. We have our door, and then we've got this nice big kitchen with a big fridge and a freezer. Yay! So, how nice does that look? And we have our desk area. We even have a sofa, so we are doing nice. Hubby's already stretched out. We've gotten here a little smidge over 5 hours, so we did good on our drive. There's our little closet. And let's see if I can get these curtains up. I can show you our view. Our view is of the parking lot. How nice. Okay, I'm gonna get all settled in. We're gonna figure out what the next fun thing is. Oh goodness, it's very bright. Hubby has found the pickle factory. I have no idea what this is, but we're about to find out for you. that was hilarious. That was an entire store that had nothing but everything to do with pickles and olives, and there was some cheese, and it was just a really cute store, and definitely had anything you might want that has anything to do with pickles. Hey guys, we just ate at Donovan's Irish Pub, and this is the second time I've eaten at an Irish pub, and it did not disappoint. We had the best food. They were having bingo while we were there, so that was fun, but the food was fantastic. It was absolutely fabulous, and I definitely recommend it. St. Augustine, Florida. And what road are we on, baby? Oh,
South 1.
North 1 or South 1, whichever way you're coming, and check it out. I want to show some of the amenities that this hotel has. We have washer and dryers, which is pretty cool. They do have laundry products are up front, but you do pay to wash, but that's okay. And then they have all of this equipment for you, which is really nice. I've told y'all, usually you can always count on a couple of treadmills, but they've got a recumbent bike and some stair steppers. And then hubby found the contraption that's usually in these hotels as well. Yeah. But, yep, there is there. And they even gave you some chairs if you're sitting waiting on your laundry. How about that? And you have a lovely pool that right now is a private pool. And then some places to sit. All right, and that is the hotel. Okay guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. My husband's phone is going off over there. We're texting everybody, letting them know we're safe and all the fun things we've done today. Now tomorrow morning is going to be Capybara Cafe, so I'm very excited about that. And then hubby and I are actually fixing to sit down and try and figure out what other fun things we're gonna be doing tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna bring you along, so I hope you've enjoyed today so far, and I will catch you again.